Environmental awareness helps us to understand the consequences of our actions and how we can avoid causing harm to the environment.
It also leads us to positive changes like more efficient use of our resources, less waste production, and cleaner air and water.
We are now aware of our environmental issues and ways by which we can initiate to save our environment.
All of us must take a pledge to save the environment so that we can live a healthy and a peaceful life in the future.
Currently 7.6 billion people on Earth, with that number expected to grow to 9.8 billion by 2050. Our enormous population impact our environment by two different ways. First, the use of resources and ecosystems such as land, food, water, air, and fossil fuels. The second is the waste product as a result of consumption, such as air and water pollutants and greenhouse gases. Life expectancy also increased by approximately 20 years since 1960. While that's great for individuals and families, it means we consume resources and produce waste even faster. Today, we are consuming resources around 1.7 times faster than can be generated. This means we need essentially 1.7 Earths to support our mass consumption and waste production. So what can we do exactly? Consume less and waste less. Buy fewer goods. Aim for carbon neutral travel and recycle waste. Innovate with technology. Switch to clean energy and other innovative technologies. Improve education. Education can help reduce unsustainable population growth while bringing long-term benefits to every country around the world. All of us can play a part in safeguarding the future's generation and for the Earth.
What up, world? It's your boy, just one of the guys down here. Well, I could be more specific. I'm a human. And just wanted to, for the sake of all of us Earthlings out there, just wanted to say, we love the Earth. It is our planet. We love the Earth. It is our home. We love the Earth. It is our planet. We love the Earth. It is our home. Hi, I'm a baboon. I'm like a man, just less advanced, and my anus is huge.
Hey, I'm a zebra. No one knows what I do, but I look pretty cool. Am I white or black?
I'm a lion cub,
And I'm always getting licked.
It is our planet. We love the Earth. It is our...
So let's give care for the creation today. So when we hear the word creation, caring for God's creation is an ever-evolving topic in this world, especially with each new natural or human-made disaster. As stewards of this world, we are called to care for the earth and examine our behaviors towards creation. While we need to take from the land for food and sustainability, we also need to be careful that we maintain good stewardship and do not exploit the wonderful things that the earth provides. So when it comes to caring for God's creation, so when we look at the overview, the scripture teaches that humanity has a special role in relationship to the rest of creation. While we are formed from the earth like other creatures, humans are charged with being God's stewards of all of creation. Our elected officials help support the stewardship of God's creation by appropriating the funding for programs that protect human health and the environment. On a state and national level, these programs include promoting clean air, and water, protecting land, preventing harm to plants and animals, and supporting biological diversity and healthy communities. So in addition to that, the Congress funds major international development efforts to mitigate the impact of greenhouse gas emissions. These environmental programs are essential to global food and national security, welfare, and economic productivity. Before I'll end this, I have something to share to you all and to those who are watching right now. The present moment is a critical and urgent one, filled with both challenge and opportunity to act as individuals, citizens, leaders, and communities of faith and solidarity with God's good creation and in the hope for our shared future. This is all for today. Thank you.
Let us save Mother Earth. Save nature is to save us. Not us, then who? If not now,
Then when? The world is not going. But it's never too late.
the path towards a new beginning starts within you. The path towards the beginning.